Xaman Wallet hidden features. 5 secrets you need to know in 2025. Did you know your Xaman Wallet can do way more than just hold XRP? Today I'll show you 5 game-changing features most users miss. Feature 1. Built-in DEX Explorer. How do you find this? Tap Explore. Select Decentralized Exchange to trade XRPL tokens without leaving the app. Second feature, NFT Viewer. Go to Collectibles to see your XRP Ledger NFTs. No extra apps needed. The third feature, multi-signature support. Under Security, set up multi-signature wallets for shared accounts. This is great for businesses. Feature 4, Custom Tokens. Add any XRPL token manually. Select Add Token, paste the issuer address plus currency code. You've customized the token. Then lastly, Offline Mode. Sign transactions offline for air-gapped security. How? Go to Advanced and then select Offline Mode. So which feature surprised you the most? Drop a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Xaman Wallet tips. See you in the next one.